Welcome to the Cybertruck unveil.
The Tesla Cybertruck is without a doubt one of the most publicized automobiles in modern times. And this is with zero marketing costs from the car's manufacturer, Tesla. One might be wondering, why is this automobile so special? And what really makes it a modern-day spectacle? If these are also the questions that come to your mind, you're in the right place. Today, we'll be taking a deep dive into the Tesla Cybertruck, its design, latest updates, production, and delivery. If it is your first time stopping by our channel, please feel free to subscribe. We make videos on cars coming to market with full details of things you should know. To encourage these contents, hit the like button. To truly appreciate a four-wheel monster such as the Cybertruck, you must be completely open-minded to accept change of any sort, as this is one of its kind. A truck far from anything conventional and absolutely conforms to no traditional design statement. Hold on, seems we are getting ahead of ourselves there. Before we speak about its alienated design, let's first understand what the Cybertruck really is. On the 21st of November 2019, Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla Motors, unveiled the Cybertruck, a monstrosity no one in their right minds was expecting to see. It got a lot of mixed reactions. Some people absolutely loved it, and some others thought they had just seen the devil in the form of an automobile. I know someone who pre-ordered this vehicle just to see and experience how bad it will be in person. Sounds like a win for Tesla if you ask me. However, the negative reactions did not stop the Cybertruck from amassing about 146,000 pre-orders worth over $8 billion just a day after it was unveiled. Here is a breakdown of the orders. The rear-wheel drive configuration had 24,820 reservations worth $1 billion. The dual-motor all-wheel drive had 61,320 reservations worth $3 billion. And the tri-motor all-wheel drive had 59,860 reservations worth $4.4 billion. Many have claimed it's justifiable to acquire a Tesla Cybertruck, especially considering the specifications and value it offers. The Tesla Cybertruck is a fully electric vehicle with up to 500 miles or 800 kilometers of range. Its tri-motor configuration can launch from a standstill to 60 miles per hour in 2.9 seconds and has the ability to tow up to 14,000 pounds. As intriguing as these sound, is it really good value for money? Now, let's talk pricing. The Tesla Cybertruck is set to start at $39,900 before incentives, but there will be two more all-wheel drive variations that will start at $49,900 and $69,900 respectively. Comparing these pricings to a conventional truck like an F-150, my opinion would be that they are well priced. Let us know your thoughts on the pricing in the comment section. Now, let's talk Cybertruck design. Before presenting the Cybertruck in 2019, the CEO Elon Musk warned that the design might be too polarizing due to its futuristic Blade Runner-esque look. I'm pretty sure no one took this statement seriously until the truck was unveiled, and it became clear that the man told no lie. The Cybertruck is basically a concept car that was designed for production. The irony. This is a vehicle with a boxy and straight-edge design and has an exoskeleton made entirely out of steel and has armored glasses for its windshields. The Cybertruck is speculated to be a bulletproof vehicle, but at the time of its unveiling, the glasses really didn't seem armored. Tesla had bloopers on the main stage. The Tesla Cybertruck seats up to 6 people and has a 6.5-foot bed for carriage, which Tesla calls the Cybertruck Vault. Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla, tweeted that the Cybertruck might have options for solar roofings to enhance efficiency, but until this is listed on the official website, it's speculation, speculation, speculation. Since the reveal of the Cybertruck, a few updates have been made to the Cybertruck. Even with these updates, the general aesthetics should remain the same. During the unveil of the Cybertruck, there were no side mirrors, just side cameras instead. To meet regulations, side mirrors are now fitted. One important update, almost impossible to miss, are the giant windshield wipers car enthusiasts don't seem to fancy. Personally, I think they look great. It has been rumored that the production-ready Cybertruck will be a tiny bit smaller than the unveiled truck. This is still not very clear. I guess we'll find out when we see one in person. Production and delivery of the Cybertruck has been delayed for so long. But this comes as no surprise. Tesla has a notorious record for delayed delivery date. We love them still. The Tesla Cybertruck is set to be produced at the Gigafactory in Austin, and production is set to begin in 2023. About time. Don't ask me how they will be dealing with the chip shortage, but let's just take their word for it and expect our vehicles in 2023. A concern with Tesla production has also been with quality control and abnormal panel gaps. But with the redesign and production of the Tesla Model S and X, it seems they are tackling these issues. Many car journalists have reported the quality of these models have improved, but I could argue they're only better because they are the company's more premium models. Let me know your thoughts on the Tesla Cybertruck. Are you excited to see them on the road? Did you place a pre-order? If you straight up think the car is appalling and should never make it to production, feel free to share in the comment section. Thanks for watching. If you appreciate the great work our team puts into making these videos, please like to show us some love. If you're new to the channel, feel free to subscribe and hit the notification bell icon for more. Have a beautiful time.